Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 19th of May 2025. Also today, BURSA had quite a big drop, and look at the heat map, wow, all red, a lot of red, and a lot of these technology stock also have quite a big drop. Industry also, construction, construction property also got a slight drop lah. Okay, so market, I mean after such a big rebound lah, we expected a retracement, but I didn't expect such a strong one today. Quite a bad start of the Monday, right? Few concern so the tariff also already half of these 90 days are almost gone, and the negotiation also we haven't get any special deal, all these things so they are concerned okay, in the market. So quick disclaimer first before I continue. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. So let's check out the global market. Now is 4:05 okay, still early market. Sorry, 4:35 market not yet closed. Almost close okay, so let's check out BURSA. BURSA is 1553 drop 18.1 points, 1.152%. Singapore dropped 0.547%. Hong Kong dropped 0.053%. South Korea dropped 0.893%. Japan dropped 0.676%. Thailand dropped 0.679%. China FTSE dropped 0.418%. China SXSE dropped up 0.004%. China SXSE dropped 0.084%. Australia dropped 0.582%. Taiwan dropped 1.464%. India Nifty dropped 0.276%. So today, Asia is all weak. Okay, look at Europe. UK dropped 0.481%, and DAX dropped 0.116%. Look at Dow Jones last week. US up 0.784%, NYSE up 0.755%, S&P up 0.701%, and Nasdaq up 0.517%. So okay, US still got some momentum. Palm oil 3,882, not really strong. Brent oil 64, also not strong. Crude oil 62. Gold 3,238, up slightly. Silver also 32.67, also okay. Dollar up a bit, 4.2930 against ringgit. Bitcoin is hovering around still holding around 103. Morning, I think today in the early morning it went up to 106 but came back down. Ethereum also dropped quite a big drop below 2005 already. Let's look at BURSA. This not yet closed okay. Now it's 1553, dropped 18.717 points, 1.16%. Today volume also not that bad okay. 3.559 billion. Sentiment 17, quite bad. Gainers 199, losers 924. Unchanged 357, untrade 917. Last Friday, foreign funds still got net buy 186 million. Local institution sold 227 million, and local retail net buy 41 million. Okay. Quite bad today. All red. Nothing much to talk about here. Look at the sector. Construction dropped 0.94, all in percentage. Consumer dropped 1.2, energy big drop 3.1, finance dropped 0.94, quite a big drop for finance. Healthcare dropped 0.94, industry dropped 2.25, plantation dropped 0.77, property dropped 1.13, REIT up 0.02, technology dropped 4.12, telco dropped 2.52, transportation dropped 1.0, utility dropped 2.0. This is worse than expected. Okay, we expect a retracement, but we don't expect such a strong one. Okay, this is quite bad. Okay, this is quite bad. Okay, worse than expected. So a lot of fear in the market. Still looks like a lot of fear in the market. Okay, so we know there's going to we really expected it will have a drop, come back to here. Okay, as long as it don't drop too much, for me it's still okay lah. For me it's still okay for the KLCI. We expected a drop, especially it come back to test this support. This support here at 1530 lah. Okay, 1530. It really make higher high lah, so a drop. This could be shakeout lah. So you do take note, it could be shakeout lah. Okay. Ace market, okay, Ace market break resistance here at 4825. So we got rejected. Okay, coming back down. Small cap we got a mid cap we got a breakout, but came back down, so this could be a false break. It will looks like a treatment coming back. And small cap also, small cap, but small cap still got support here, 15,006. See whether it can hold or not. So mid cap, Ace market dropped 2.54%, quite a lot. Mid cap also 1.88, and small cap also 1.95. Okay, construction we hit resistance here. We want to wait and see whether it can it can hold above 270. If we can hold to above 270, still okay. If we cannot hold 260, so it cannot hold 260, then again this head and shoulder view. We have this we wait in. Okay, consumer probably come back to test this support over here, 455, 488. Energy, okay, energy haven't made higher high. Energy might have a retracement, I said, but I'm not very keen on energy. I told you. Finance, okay, finance could be a false break. It's trying to break out. The big resistance is here. Okay. So I got stuck here, but as long as if it can stay above here, I think it's still okay. We have to wait and see whether it can stay above here or not. 18,000. If we can stay above 18,000, I think it's still okay. If we cannot stay above, then danger. It might come back again. Okay, healthcare couldn't rebound. Head and shoulder also not really giving it much momentum up lah. So we already said this one we don't see any big momentum yet. Industry, okay, industry could come back to 155, or the next support will be here lah. We just replace back to 149. It's still okay. It's still okay. Okay, we get 50% retracement. Okay. Property. Okay, property. Let's see if it can hold 1013 or not. If you cannot hold, then this one must hold. If you come back to 958 must hold. If you cannot hold 958, then danger. Okay, again the double top. Okay, technology. Okay. Technology as support. It's coming back to close this gap. I told you, right? This gap. Okay, so it's coming back to close this gap over here. Okay, but it rebroke the support over here. Okay, so the next support could be 40, 45. Okay, 50 easily broken. Okay, see whether it can go back up or not tomorrow. If cannot go back up, 45 should hold lah. If 45 cannot hold, then danger. Then we might. This could be a short. This uptrend is in danger lah. Okay. 45 must hold lah. Okay, and telco also, telco. Okay, telco. We got divergence here. RSI it come back to 483, probably still okay. It cannot drop below 483. Drop below 483 danger. Transportation, I'm not very keen. Also utilities. Okay, utilities. Okay, higher high. As I think this one right. This one we wait and see. This one we wait and see. I'm not very keen. I told you right, the head and shoulder, the slanting head and shoulder, right? Okay, this one. Right? Okay, so it broke. Came back, now it's retesting the neckline. Okay, this neckline. Okay, so you see straight away it got crushed and pushed down. Okay. Big drop lah. Okay. I'm not really keen. I said after I see this pattern, I'm not keen. Okay, in this sector lah. Okay, so let's look at Facebook. A quick look at Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin, okay, we got bearish engulfing. So I thought it will retrace here. Maybe it will retrace here. Maybe it will. We have to see this one. Market not yet closed. We don't know yet. Okay. But as I said, this could be the top 109 near this area. This top here. Okay. It could be a top here. Okay. Or could be a top here. We can break through maybe here. But I doubt we can go higher. Okay. I think this could be the last two target lah. Okay. for this Bitcoin, but we have to wait and see lah. For now, it's not too bad yet lah. Okay. But Ethereum had a big drop lah. We expected lah. But why? You see, Ethereum hit the channel, right? The big channel bottom, right? This line, the channel bottom. Okay, this big channel. Okay, big channel bottom lah. Okay, we hit this big channel bottom, so we got a big resistance or big push down. Okay, all got pushed down today. SRP, Cardano. Okay, but we have to wait a few more days and see how it goes lah. Okay, look at Facebook. Okay, today the bull tired already lah. Cannot already. Okay. BCam already talked many days already, right? I'm not going to repeat again. Almost every day I talk about BCam lah. Okay, you have to watch the few videos lah. You have to watch BCam. Last whole week I talk at least 3 or 4 times lah. So I don't want to repeat again lah. Okay, waiting for second wave, Aaron. Okay, possible. John Sniper, time for a breakdown. A break now lah, a rest lah. Okay. 不跑先，现在就跑不了。And he say don't run. If you don't run now, you got no chance to run lah. Okay. Terry, one moment please. One moment. Fishing need to build patience. TV say the Joe bought foreign capital escape to HK and see maybe lah. Okay. So you know right after such a this big drop, it could be a how we call that a shakeout. Shakeout means shake out the weak hand. So if you run too fast sometime, you cannot get the big one. So as I said okay. I'm not saying this is not I'm not saying this cannot be a bear market. It could be, but we have to wait a few more days and see lah. I'm not saying that it must be short-term retracement or it must be bear market. One day doesn't show much lah, especially when Donald Trump is calling the cut lah, or he's playing the cut. So it could still be change again tomorrow lah. So and they say first day already koyak already okay, market. I mean the retracement week lah. I mean what he's saying. I think as we know right from Sunday video, we know that this week is going to retrace lah. Okay. Bitcoin and Ethereum still okay lah. Slight drop, still okay lah. 103 okay, 103. If you are big in, if tonight we got a big bearish engulfing. If we drop below here, then maybe you want to take profit lah. If we cannot hold here, then maybe if we have a retracement lah. If we cannot hold 100 lah, around 100 lah, 100k. Cannot hold 100k. I'm not saying the big bull market finish, but it might have a drop back to 91, 92. This area lah, okay. 100 lah now. You cannot hold 100. I'm not saying the bear market could finish, but there will be a bigger retracement back lah. Maybe back to 92, maybe back to 88 lah. Okay, we have to take note. Okay, if 100 cannot hold lah, I might drop back to this area. Okay. If it finish the bull market, nobody know. You cannot say, I can guess, I can predict the bull market is going to finish. We have to follow the chart. The chart tell us now it's still okay. It's still over 100. Why you scared? 100 is support, right? It haven't dropped below 100. Okay. Ethereum we expected already. Because it hit the top, the channel top. Expected a retracement lah. Okay. We have to see how far it retrace lah. Okay. All these are expected lah. Today down. Kai. Orang hutan also scared lah. Terry say starting to drop lah. What's this? This the Moody downgrade this US credit score, all these things lah. Okay. Now all these news lah, institution prediction lah, rating lah, that's not really very important. Okay, the important cut now is between Donald Trump presidency, maybe EU a little bit, maybe EU in a bit, maybe India, India, or these are the one that who going to affect the whole movement of the financial system, the economy, all those okay. These are the card player for all those Moody I mean, you want to hear the news, you can hear but those are very insignificant in this current condition of the market if you ask me okay. What Besson say, what presidency she say, what Donald Trump say, what Elon Musk say, what Prime Minister Modi say, I mean, might have the bigger impact. What will happen what will happen? Especially now the Syria with Prince Mohammed in the Middle East. He got a significant role now in this. How do you how do you call it? Bringing this Middle East to bringing it to a more open. How do you call it? More open, more modern civilization, more modern world okay, something like that. Okay, so all this now have the US important person, Trump, Lutnick, Besson, Rubio, all this one now is the one that hold the maybe Fed maybe this Jerome Powell okay, maybe Jerome Powell all these might have but all these others are not long-term impact maybe short-term people scared sell, but they are not long-term impact okay, they are now all this news, all these are I mean for movement of the market, all these things they are no longer as significant as last time when they news come out something market straight away change all these things but I mean they are still trying to, I mean this institution, all these group financial, Wall Street, they are still trying to control trying to how to call it, manipulate the market but their influence is getting less influence is getting less. Okay, this is how I see I'm not saying that this one got nothing to do got nothing to do with the credit rating. All this got nothing to do US already been downgraded last time one time already so the news, will, anything talk bad about Trump, they will blow up but now they are not significant as I tell you as I feel it, they are no longer significant what they say. Okay, all the news, all those okay. Now the one that hold the cut is the trade war China presidency, Trump, Prime Minister Modi, Besson, Lutnick, Rubio, all these things are I think these are the one that you should listen. Elon Musk, maybe you should listen to what they say rather than just get brainwashed by all the news okay. Jiyoung, Monday Blue, Tan Monday Blue. Okay, Jiyoung, what's this? Trump shit, Trump broom the shit. you know, if Bitcoin right go up so high okay, people who hate Trump that does not want to buy right because Trump endorsed the Bitcoin right. So you see, if you are playing the market using hate on light, right? Okay, most of the time you are at the wrong side okay, I can tell you okay. Panic run, Aaron. Hockey chew. May sell in May, right? And go away. Maybe we have to wait and see because now got all this trade war, all this developing, so there could be changes okay. Stanley say Trump didn't dance YMCA, that's why cannot go up market. Okay, two things as I said I mean if you ask me okay, if you play the market, listening to the news, I think most of the time you're at the wrong side of the trend lah. And also if you play the market using like and don't like, most of the time you also will be at the wrong side of the trend lah. John Sniper, time to chill. Because the market wants you to be, you know, right? The market manipulator, the market maker, market manipulator, right? Okay, they want to use this emotion to make you always invest at the wrong side of the market. If the feeling, the feeling, the news, all those are so right? Okay, you don't need to work. You just sit in front of the CNBC TV, Bloomberg TV. You just sit in front and listen to what they say and invest. Okay, you'll be millionaire already. But if you follow properly, right? If you follow properly for a long time, all these news channel, right? Okay, they hardly ever got it right lah. I can tell you lah. Okay. If you really follow lah, if you record everything they say, you follow. After 1 year, you go back, you see what they say. Okay, I can tell you. Where were we? It's just how I see it lah. I could be wrong lah. The news could be right all the time lah. But this is how I see it lah. People so easily got sucked into the emotional train, sucked in the wrong and right bias. So they cannot see the market properly. They invest on based on feeling, emotion. Okay, based on hate. Okay, based on what people are telling them. Okay, what Wall Street are telling me. Now you must be scared now. So you cannot invest. So the people are scared. Remember the most important principle. I think right, you call it principle. I call it okay. That this Warren Buffett used, right? What Warren Buffett say? You see, the most successful investor in the world. What Warren Buffett say? Okay. Be greedy when people are fearful. You see, he is against what the media, what all the news are telling you. So he is the balik. Okay. Be fearful when everyone is greedy. Everyone greedy. What happened? When Wall Street tell you market is going to fly, right? Everyone greedy. When Bitcoin goes to 100,000, Wall Street will explode. Wow, come on, wow, all this news, wow, Bitcoin very strong. That is the time that you should run. Right? Okay. When the market say, market is going to die, US is going to die now. Trump is going to kill US. Okay, US is going to go into disaster. It's going to explode. Everything is going to die. Then it's your time to buy. You follow what Warren Buffett say. It's not I say. It's what Warren Buffett say. You remember? Okay. Okay. Hey, don't believe me, never mind. This is what Warren Buffett say. So okay, when the Wall Street tell you be fearful, okay, then it's your time to be greedy. Okay, look at the news. Okay, let's check out the news.
Moody's downgrade intensifies investor worry about US fiscal path.
Okay, now is fear. Okay, now is fear. Okay, Wall Street is giving you fear. Okay, so you do take note of what I said.
A US sovereign downgrade by Moody's has exacerbated investor worries about a looming debt time bomb that could spur bond market vigilantes who want to see more fiscal restraint from Washington. The ratings agency cut America's pristine sovereign credit rating by 1 notch on Friday, the last of the major ratings agencies to downgrade the country, citing concerns about the nation's growing $36 trillion United States debt pile.
Okay, this debt pile has been long time ago. Now they want to bring it out to talk, to make news, to make you fearful. When they make you fearful, you are selling, who is buying? Wall Street, right? So they are buying. They are the one that this analysts tell you, oh, I'm gonna die, US gonna die. You know, they are selling. You know who's buying?
China struggles to lift home prices as April shows no growth.
Okay.
Foreign investors pump RM 1.68 bill into BURSA Malaysia,
Okay.
highest in 4 weeks.
Okay, when all the retail people are selling, who is buying, right? Must be institution buying, right?
USI's region-based tariffs for many nations as deadline nears.
Okay, when they buy a lot, market will go very high. Okay, then they want to look for sell because they already make a lot of money. They'll tell you bull market coming, they will sell it to you. Then the market will drop. Okay. Or else how they going to find the liquidity to sell? You know, big institution, who going to sell? Who going to sell to? You think big institution going to sell to big institution? You think all they are stupid? They are not stupid, right? They sell to them, selling to you. This one maybe it's a news that scared everyone.
USI's region-based tariffs for many nations as deadline nears.
Okay, so they are using this region-based. They are no longer negotiating country by country. So they are going for region-based because they don't have enough time. So this one could be scary. So some country might not get what they very good tariff deal. Okay.
Botanic partners see Genex for genomics diagnostics development.
So you see why Warren Buffett, what he said is opposite the media, the economy, the media, the analysts, the market. Why? Then you have to understand. Now, okay. Right, we don't need to look far, right? You just look to the most successful investor in the world, what he said. Okay. Just simple as that, right? Okay. Okay, so beta nothing much happening. It dropped outside the channel, so it's not going anywhere. This is just a news. So MFLA want to allocate more money, a good allocation for pottery.
Malayan flour mills allocates RM 215 meters for poultry business.
Okay, poultry business. So they for their poultry business. So also MFLA not much maybe small rebound. Already broken the uptrend.
Euro Holdings auditor resigns on suspension by Securities Commission.
Okay. Okay, Affin profit business up.
Affin posts 12.6 PCT higher profit to IM 124.1 mil in Q1.
Okay, so our revenue 504 million last first quarter, now it's 543 up. Profit 110 to 124 So business is doing quite well for Affin. Okay, let's see Affin. Okay, Affin already dropped. Already stock split already That's why now the arrow all different but Affin already hit the top now coming back down. Any rebound we might have a head and shoulder here. Okay, we might have a head and shoulder here. Might have a kind of a head and shoulder. Okay, we might have a rebound. I think if we rebound chance to run. As I said, I'm not chasing this sector anymore. As you see, all the target all this far already exceed the target. Okay, even the real target also we put it higher also should be already hit. So I'm not really keen. Maybe one more push up for see so far I really run. I'm not saying no chance it cannot KLSE it cannot go higher. I'm not saying it cannot go higher, but now you are buying at a very high price at a very late stage, right? So I'm not keen. I'm not saying it cannot go higher. It might go higher, but for me it's not worth it to buy it now Okay, I'm not saying it cannot go higher. You when think that you think that you still believe, okay, I mean you still can buy, there's no issue buying this, okay. With even with such a good report, okay. But maybe if you want to try, okay, 260 you have to watch that. If it drop below 260, maybe you have to be careful lah. A quick message before I continue. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a remiser, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno, you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using, you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link, okay. Okay. Top gainers. We have a few today, not many Rapid, hex cap, all these this stock not so popular okay, but got some momentum Rapid, okay, Rapid volume 400 over to 6 million so big volume in okay, but really 29% up, too late. Maybe wait for a retracement. You want to try retrace back to this area I think better I don't chase after 20 over percent overbought, or maybe retrace back to 615, or looks like suddenly big volume want to go in. The next big, I think if you really chase in I think the max, maybe the next target you have to watch could be here the big resistance is here at 110 okay, too far to chase today. Hex cap, okay, hex cap also volume 400 over 1000 to 4.7 million. Hex cap got a one gap here. Okay. Hex cap, as long as you already in, as long as stay above 0.285, got chance 12% up. I think tomorrow it might come back, close the gap. Better wait for it to come back, close the gap and see how okay. Maybe it will go up a bit more, or a bit more. Wait for the next wave. I think maybe for me it's a bit too far up SCICOM. This one maybe double bottom. This one also I think chance to run. Any rebound I think chance to run 0.0099 because it's having this downtrend. Broken through broken through, it might have chance to rebound, but the big resistance is here. I think you want to watch is here the big one this is at 86 cents. We break through 86, then maybe get a longer term rebound, or else you just might get stuck here and stop here it could be a one day play so today I think better don't do much first watch why. We have to still continue and watch why today BURSA is so weak, whether it's a one day thing or it's a continued thing Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.